Hi, I'm Christina and I'm the tutor for the Value of Meditative Painting at Hawkwood. It's a day dedicated solely to indulging in your creative side and feeling the calming benefits, I guess, of painting. The focus of the class isn't about perfection or the next best masterpiece. It just really is the focus on the pure joy that you get from creating. We explore different mediums and techniques which allow you to find which style or technique resonates with you the most. It's about sort of finding what kind of painting brings you the most joy and fulfillment. I guess throughout the day, I'll be there to guide you so that by the end of the day, you find a way to relax and let creativity flow. We listen to music and we just play around with the materials. There's really no pressure on the end results, and you'll be in a room full of like-minded people, so it's nice and safe. And I suppose we also can't forget where we're based in Hawkwood itself. It's tucked away from the chaos with gorgeous grounds and views and a beautiful house. And we even get to go outside and paint if the weather is being kind to us. It's definitely, I would say Hawkwood is definitely the perfect atmosphere for a day of meditative painting. It's the class is great for those who are complete beginners, but also those of you who, I don't know, need to have just a day of focusing on the joy of creating rather than the pressure of perfecting like a final piece. And I know sometimes doing classes on your own can be really daunting, but I honestly promise you that you'll be welcomed and you'll have fun and enjoy having taken some time out for you.